10 1 rupee coins are put on top of each other on a table. Each coin has a mass m. Give the magnitude and direction of the following options. First, the force on the 7th coin counted from the bottom due to all the coins on top of it. This is the 7th coin. There will be 8th, 9th and 10th. There will be 3 coins on top of the 7th coin. Therefore, the force is equal to the weight of 3 coins. Therefore, it is 3 mg. And the force is acting vertically downwards. The force on the 7th coin by the 8th coin. If this is the 7th coin, the force of the 8th coin. On top of the 8th coin, we have 2 more coins. Therefore, the 8th coin will put as much pressure as in the previous scenario, that is 3 mg. The reaction of the 6th coin on the 7th coin. The reaction of the 6th coin on the 7th coin. So the reaction would be vertically upwards, as the 7th, 8th, 9th and the 10th coin put their pressure downwards. So as there are 4 coins, the pressure would be 4 mg acting vertically upwards.